red light therapy improve your skin? You asked me and I tried red light therapy. Today I want to share my experience with red light therapy, what it is, what are the benefits, and what improved red light therapy results for my skin. Yes, I did a few things differently after learning from the experts in the field, including my chiropractor, because I strongly believe that the difference between just doing something because it is popular and doing something the right way, that can make all the difference to the results you see. Do you agree that our exposure to natural light, be it the sunlight or sitting by fire like our ancestors used to, has reduced? Natural light is important, but today the only light you're getting is the indoor light or the blue light from your phone. I live in Chicago and my exposure to natural light reduces pretty much from October to April. That's almost 7 months of depriving my body of the light, meaning lack of cellular function and energy to work properly. But the red light therapy can give your skin and your whole body a chance to rejuvenate and heal in many ways. Stay glued to see what were these additional reasons that improved my results faster and showed some signs of improvement in my skin in less than a week. Welcome to Blush with me. You're all aware that as we age, we see biological changes like wrinkles, sagging of your skin, large pores, and your skin loses that elasticity overall. These changes are largely related to decrease in collagen production. Now, red light therapy is a biostimulator which generates cellular energy and increases the growth and reproduction of cells that make collagen. Red light and near infrared light have been shown to increase growth and reproduction of the fibroblast cells. Now, these are the cells that are responsible for the production of collagen and elastin. You can't help but notice how it improves the benefits of your skincare products by helping them penetrate deeper into your skin layers. If you have been following my face massage techniques and face yoga exercises, then you would have experienced better product penetration into your skin, muscle activation, and improved blood flow. But I have to say that red light therapy can reach the deepest layers of your skin, the dermis layer. Now, once it reaches the dermis layer, it gives your cells that boost that stimulates blood flow in your skin. This reactivates collagen production, detoxification process, and once this change happens in the deepest layers of your skin, you will start to notice the brightening effects that it gives your skin. You'll get that more lustrous, more glowy skin. That's not where it ends. This boost leads to fine lines and wrinkles to become less visible. I mean, what happens when your skin plumps up? Anything that is shrinking on top starts to plump up. So your wrinkles and fine lines start to become less visible. Now, when that happens, you will notice that your skin texture starts to appear firmer. It also helps heal wounds and repair tissue faster. Now that you have understood what red light therapy can do to improve your skin, here are some of my suggestions that gave me faster results. First, getting the right red light therapy device. When I was researching about the red light therapy, Mito red light, or is it Mito red light? I'm not sure how the name is pronounced, but this name kept popping up again and again. Their red light LED panels have received over 950 5-star reviews, all 5-star. After researching, I understood that they are bringing highest powered and highest quality red light therapy at absolutely affordable prices in the market. They are not one of those tiny devices that you need to roll all across your face for 15 to 20 minutes daily, because let's be honest, we don't stay committed to something that demands that much effort every day. If you're looking to invest in red light therapy device, then I'm sure you would have seen the prices on what is available out there. You'd be surprised to see the affordable prices Mito red light LED panels are available for. The fact that I just sit in front of my Mito Pro 300 for about 10 to 12 minutes a day, and that takes care of not only my face and neck and chest area, but also my hairline. I think this was the reason I could stay committed to this process. And I can totally multitask during these 10 to 12 minutes. I either listen to an audiobook or meditate for this duration. So when I was reading some of these reviews on their website, This name, Maysama Green Rooibos Pressed Serum, kept appearing in the reviews, and different people mentioned that this red light therapy worked exceptionally well, especially with this green tea serum from Maysama. Now, I always knew that antioxidants combined with red light therapy would make it work better. But why this serum? So I just decided to reach out to the brand Maysama and speak to the lady behind the brand herself. Now, this is what Bev had to say. She told me that as per the research, antioxidants such as green tea are able to control the amount of free radicals produced by LED lights so that we only get the benefits from it and none of the downsides. The truth is, the action of red light also produces free radicals. Free radicals are important at low level to act as signaling molecules, which drive cellular processes. But at high level, free radicals lead to oxidative stress that could cause damage to your cells. Basically, applying green tea oxidants helps mop up free radicals and allows your red light to keep working efficiently. It's a little bit like cleaning out the filter in your vacuum cleaner. It is also very important to use red light therapy with accurate dosage. Your exposure time shouldn't exceed 10 to 12 minutes. More isn't always better when it comes to light therapy. There are also multiple researches and science papers that back up the effect of antioxidants with red light therapy. In 2009, German scientist André Sommer also talked about 10 times faster skin rejuvenation when green tea is combined with red light therapy. Professor Sommer and his team at the University of Ulm in Germany continue to extend his work in the field of photobiomodulation, which is another name for red light therapy. And his work includes treatment for cancer and Alzheimer's using green tea as a co-treatment to extend the action spectrum of red light therapy treatment for these medical applications. There are so many benefits of red light therapy. I'll be happy to make another video just mentioning the amazing benefits of red light therapy for your whole body. If this interests you, then let me know in the comments below. But staying on the topic, now Professor Sommer and Maysama are working together because Professor Sommer has previously struggled to source green tea extract, even organic extracts, which are not contaminated with heavy metals, especially lead. These contaminants come from soil from different countries, but green rooibos teas that's sourced from South Africa are much purer because it has better environmental pollution control. Now, Maysama's green rooibos tea comes from sustainable farming and undergoes patented extraction, which increases its antioxidant potential 70-fold, making it highly potent form of green tea for cosmetic application. Sometimes with the number of products with fancy packaging, tell me if you even consider the heavy metal content in your skincare products. And if you do care, like I do, which is why I have gone through such detailed research for this video, then please consider getting yourself a combination of both Maysama serum and Mito red light. It is recommended that you apply this serum 20 minutes before your LED session to allow time for antioxidants to be fully absorbed in your skin. So it's not necessary for you to use the Maysama Green Rooibos Pressed Serum. It is a very potent antioxidant serum for use in your morning or evening skincare routine. The serum by itself is very hydrating and soothing, and it literally calms your irritated skin overnight. Rooibos is anti-inflammatory and has healing properties. Here is some information on the screen about the ingredients in this serum. It is extremely lightweight and it does not clog your pores, which is very important for light penetration. But make sure when you're using it with red light therapy, stand at least 6 to 8 inches away from the Mito red light. Not too close, not too far either. If loss of collagen and fat tissue has led to sunken eyes, skin folds and wrinkles, then protect those fat pads in your face with rooibos serum from Maysama. I've also been impressed by Maysama Green Rooibos line, so do check out their Green Rooibos Gentle Resurfacing Toner and their Skin Brightening Mask. Thank you Maysama for sponsoring today's video. Do use the promo code BLUSH when you click the link in the description below to get a very special offer. You can get 15% off on Maysama Green Rooibos Skincare and 5% off on Mito Red Light LED devices, or a bundle of the two for an exclusive price just for my Blush With Me family. Make sure to check it out in the description below. Next thing that helped me get faster results was to exfoliate my skin a couple of times a week before serum and red light therapy. Exfoliating helps you get rid of the dead cells from the surface of the epidermis, that is the outer layer of your skin. Once this dead skin is cleared off, your products can actually penetrate better. You could either use an exfoliating serum that gets rid of your dead skin while you're sleeping without having to scrub or tug your face with harsh exfoliants. Or you could also use something as soft and gentle as turmeric powder mixed with honey to gently exfoliate. This is my big secret behind keeping my skin pores tight. If this has increased curiosity on how to keep your skin pores tighter, then let me know in the comments below. Next thing that will help you is to wash your face with warm water instead of cold water before red light therapy. Warm water raises your skin temperature, causing your blood vessels and pores to dilate. This also creates more space between the cells, meaning there is greater surface area for absorption, which doesn't happen if you wash your face with cold water. This also helps your skin products to penetrate better while using red light. Also, when wet, your skin acts like a sponge. It quickly absorbs whatever comes its way. So don't wait for too long between washing your face and applying your serum. So here's my experience. I did use red light therapy with a couple of different skincare products, but especially when I started using it with Maysama serum, I experienced clearer and lighter skin. As a woman of color, I naturally have some different skin tones around my cheeks, and it's a little bit darker around my mouth or even around the corners of my forehead. Everything started to look more even after about 1 week of usage. It could also be because of the fact that I started using my sunscreen a lot more regularly than I did during winters. It's a possibility this could also have some contributing benefits to improving my skin tone. Now, if you see, these are my age spots. They're pretty prominent, and I don't overdo makeup or do full coverage to hide them. So frankly, in my hearts of hearts, I'm hoping that these will start to reduce naturally too. It may be too soon to say that I'm seeing a reduction in these spots, but overall, I have seen that the blemishes or old acne spots decreased faster overall, and my skin definitely looks a lot clearer, and there have been absolutely no acne since I started using the serum. And of course, once I started using the combination of serum and red light, I got better results. I'm almost 3 weeks down, and I will continue using this combination. This was yet another amazing experience. Due to the exposure to light, your body boosts the production of hormone called serotonin. Serotonin is your body's natural happy hormone. It is kind of a natural stimulant that improves your mood. It reduces stress and also helps you sleep better. This was yet another positive change that I experienced. The more and more I researched about red light, I learned that it can also help reduce cellulite. And I've always been big on taking care of my cellulite. So after I'm done with my face, I just stand in front of the red light for about 10 minutes because it increases the oxygenation and detoxification, and it improves blood circulation. All of these actions reduce cellulite fat deposit. And I personally think that Mito Red Light 300 is a good size to not only target all the way from your hairline to your chest, but also some of the bigger areas such as my thighs. That said, I'm actually considering investing into a bigger panel for my muscle recovery and for all the benefits that it can offer for my whole body. This was my experience with the red light therapy. Personally, I think I am hooked because I'm seeing better results in more ways than one. And it truly is an upgrade to my facial yoga routine. You just need to be careful and not overuse it. As a face yoga and image coach, I'm open to trying different non-invasive techniques to help you age better without undergoing any invasive treatments like Botox or fillers that actually weaken your facial muscles in the long run. If there is any skincare device that you have been curious about, then just write to me. And if you have more questions about red light therapy, go ahead and shoot them you know where, in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button so you can expect more self-improvement, face yoga, and image transformation videos on my channel. These are all my other social media handles. Please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook fan page, and Amazon as well. I'll be sure to check out your comments so I can come up with yet another exciting video just for you on your demand. I will see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.